Hello and welcome to the Z Hut. Today I would like to share with you the one and pretty much the one and only way I know of to make money with your computer or smartphone that is 100% legitimate and anybody can do. Now, after I mention what to do here in a moment, I know some of you are going to start typing in the comments, well, I did this and I made all this money. Well, I'm sorry, that was you. And it's not everybody's going to be able to do it. I mean, there's very few things that you can do with your computer or your smartphone to actually truthfully make legitimate money. Now, what you do, take your computer, your smartphone, go on the internet, go on your search bar, type in Craigslist and the biggest town near you, the Craigslist site that's nearest you. Once you get on there, go under the Help Wanted section. Now, use your smartphone or computer and respond to job offers you qualify for. Go in, give your interviews, send them your resumes, whatever. When you get hired by one of them companies, you can legitimately and honestly tell all your friends and people you know, you made money with your smartphone or computer this year. All right. That's pretty much all I got to share. Oh, there are some other things you can do that most people can do to make money online. One of them I know of, and I actually do it once in a while, is Amazon's Mechanical Turk. If you can somewhat reasonably type, and you can read and write English, you can go on there. You're not going to make a full-time income at it unless you're doing like 10 hours a day. You get qualified for all kinds of things. I mean, there are people that can make a full-time living at that, but number one, they can type really fast and really accurately, and they're devoting lots of time to it, and for a lot of people, you're just not going to have the patience for it. But it is something I do occasionally myself when I'm between videos. You know, while one's compiling, I'll grab the laptop and do it a little. And I save the money up because it's on Amazon. I get gift cards and use it once or twice a year. Another thing people do, micro-jobbing stuff like, what's that called? Fiverr. If there's something you're really good at, you can make a few extra dollars here and there. Now, there are some people that make a full-time living at Fiverr. The thing is, they are coming up with new ideas all the time. They're sticking to it, and they have money to put into this. This isn't something that you're just going to sit down like, well, I'm going to make a full-time living doing Fiverr. You got to have some money to make money, and you got to be creative because lots of the things that you could think of is already on there. You got to come up with some new ideas. With that, I mean, there's all kinds of things. I see people doing, Amazon affiliate stuff. If you're a blogger, you got a website, and you actually are getting a lot of traffic to it, you can make a few extra dollars doing that. Once again, it's hard to make a full-time living income doing stuff like that. One last one I could think of is YouTube videos, like what I do. I don't make a full-time living at it. About half my income does come from this. I also do other things online, and I also do mechanics and electronics repair. So you can make money on YouTube. Now, there's people that make full-time living, like I said, but you really, really got to put time into it. You're going to have to spend money doing things. There's very few videos I see that actually I know are making money that they didn't spend anything to make it. So once again, it usually takes money to make money online. But things like Mechanical Turk, well, you can do that and make a little extra money. Otherwise, honestly, just use your smartphone or computer. If you want to make money with it, go on Craigslist or some other want ads, and there you go. All right, well, thanks for joining us here at the Z Hut today. Hope you have a great day, and I hope you figure out how to make some money with your computer.